Hey everyone! Recently, there's been a huge data leak affecting major tech companies like Google, Apple, and Facebook. Luckily, I'm primarily a Microsoft user, so my Microsoft account weren't impacted. But if you're concerned about your accounts being compromised, I've got a quick way for you to check if your credentials are leaked or not. Let's dive in. First, I'll show you how to check all your passwords in Edge browser. It may have your saved Google, Facebook, or Apple logins. For testing, I've got an old list of my passwords here, since I've switched to a password manager, which I'll cover in a future video. For now, let's test it out how to check if your passwords are leaked or not. First, start by going to the Edge settings. Just click on the three dots in the top right corner. Now, let's follow these steps. In the password window, make sure to enable the Scan for Leaked Passwords option. Then head back to the Password Manager screen. Now let's kick off the checking process. It might take a little time, so be patient. In the meantime, let's go through the process for Chrome users. I've set up a demo account for testing, so follow along with these steps. This will help you check for any leaked passwords in Chrome. Keep in mind that the leak database is constantly being updated. If your password isn't found in the leaks today, it could show up tomorrow since this is a recent incident, so it's a good idea to keep checking for the next few days. If you do find that your password has been compromised, make sure to change it immediately for that account. Here, you'll notice a different screen since I'm not signed into Google. But don't worry, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and you'll be able to check for any leaked passwords. Our Edge scan for leaked passwords is complete. If any leaked passwords were found, make sure to change them immediately. Even if no leaks were detected, it's still a smart practice to rotate your critical passwords every 6 to 12 months. Additionally, there's a website you can use to check for leaks. This method is manual and may take a bit more time, but it's well regarded for providing updates on breaches. You can find the link in the description below. Check it out for an extra layer of security. You can also set up a reliable password manager or even create a completely passwordless account. I'll be covering that in a future video, so make sure to subscribe to the channel if you found this video helpful.